Ashika Pratt, these are your favourite things. Number 1, favourite musician, band, artist, currently and of all time.
Of all time?
And currently. Or, you know, what you're listening to
I don't
now.
know. I know that everyone hates Kanye West, but I really do like Kanye West.
You like the man or
Not the man, the
artist?
music.
The music.
Yeah, and I got his new album when I was
what's
in
it
Paris
like?
this year, and it just reminds me of walking around, going to my castings,
Yeah.
and I just have like good memories with it.
It's great. So Kanye is up there for you.
He's pretty up there.
Okay, could you even call him your favourite artist of the moment? Of
the
time?
moment, I guess.
Kanye West.
I'll let him have it.
What's the name of the album?
Oh, I forget. I have
The
to look
one
on my
that's
phone.
out now. The one that just
the new
came out.
one.
Okay. Is he a nutter?
Yeah, he's a crazy person. You know what? No, I think he does it on purpose. I think
It's just a shtick.
Yeah.
It's an attention grabbing.
I think so.
It's a
right?
virtue of his narcissism.
Yeah.
It's a narcissistic trope. Mm-hmm. Me. It's all about me, and I'll make
it's
whatever
working
drama.
for him, I think. So I think he's
it
just
does
like,
exactly.
yeah.
He wants the attention. And then for all time.
Of all time, I
Yeah.
don't know. Can we come back to that? I need to
Yes,
think
you
about it.
could.
Okay.
I'm not letting you off. Music's important.
I mean,
Of all
there's so
time.
many.
I
Maybe
know there
David
are.
Bowie. No.
David Bowie.
Yeah, he can be all time, but I don't know.
Let's put David all
Okay,
time
okay.
because you are
Okay.
literally the first David Bowie.
Okay.
And as a
but
David
then
Bowie
I don't know
fan-
if it's my of all time. I need to think of like my all time person.
But it came quickly.
Okay. If I think of someone else, I'll come back.
If you can trump fucking David Bowie, I will give it to you.
All right.
Okay, favorite Bowie album.
Oh, I don't know.
You don't know any of the albums. You're of that generation.
I'm really bad at all of this stuff. Like, I can't remember brand names, and I'm really bad at remember songs.
I like that about you, though.
That's bad. But I'll know it when I hear it, and
Yeah.
I'll know the words when it comes on.
I love that carefree nature, Ashika. Favorite... Okay, the song. Favorite song.
No, I like that Kanye West song that I always keep singing in.
And then the favorite song of all time.
I hate these ones. Let's come back to these ones.
It's difficult. I didn't say it was going to be easy.
I needed time to think about it.
Okay. Favorite movie recently that you might have seen with your fiancé?
Favorite movie?
Do you go to the film?
I really love... Yeah, we do. We just went and saw that Lady Gaga one, but...
You didn't like it?
It was okay. It was fine.
It was okay.
I think my favorite movie is Boy. It's like a film set in New Zealand. Have you seen it?
Yes!
Oh, I love that movie.
Those little guys in the car.
So
Boy!
cute. And he's like, shut up, you egg.
Yes, I fucking love that.
Yeah. That's the best movie ever. If you haven't seen that movie, you need to see that movie.
You know that was a short before they made a feature
it was
out
called
of it.
the one with the
Yes,
cars.
the cars.
Yeah, I
At
love
night,
that as well.
waiting.
Yeah. It's the same bar. Is it the same bar that
Same
they film
film,
at?
isn't it?
No, but that came out first?
I think it was the short came out first and then they made the feature.
Okay.
I like
Movie
that.
facts.
I know, flying the flag for New Zealand filmmakers.
No, but it's really good.
It's
Not just saying because it's from New Zealand.
Absolutely, but
really
it's nice
Yeah.
to do so. Favorite TV show? Oh no, movie of all time.
Movie of all time. I mean, that's my favorite movie.
Is it?
Yeah.
Amazing. Favorite TV show currently of all time.
I mean, I'm watching Grey's Anatomy right now. I feel like
Okay,
I'm really
that's a
behind.
rerun. You
but,
are. I probably.
No, my favorite TV show, Top of the Lake, and I know that's another set in New Zealand thing, but it's really, really good.
Is it a New Zealand?
No,
film?
actually, no. What's that one where they wear the?
Oh, the
It's Elizabeth Moss again,
Handmaid's
isn't
Tale.
it? Yeah, Handmaid's Tale.
Handmaid's Tale is your favorite.
Yes.
Currently. And of all time.
Of all time, probably.
It can't
Is
be
it
Grey's
the
Anatomy.
Office?
The Office, the English or American?
American. I hate the English one. I can't. It's too awkward.
It's too embarrassing.
Way too awkward.
It's too awkward
Yeah.
even to watch.
I have to like mute it.
Wow,
I've seen it all, but it's like really.
I
hard
love
to
that
watch.
without the sound.
Yeah, if it gets too awkward.
That's so funny. Okay, what was I going to say? I was going to say about TV. Shit, I've forgotten. Favorite actor? I'll come back to that.
I don't even
Actor. Do you go to the cinema
Yeah, I
because
do, but
this
I'm really
person's
bad.
because this person's in it?
Not really, but
No.
I mean, Elizabeth Moss is like one
You-
of my favorite people. I think she's amazing.
Did you like her in Mad Men?
Yes.
Did you watch that?
Yes.
Great.
Not the last season,
Okay.
but yes, I love her.
Okay. I think she's great.
And
too.
she does a good New Zealand accent.
And I think she won the Emmy for Handmaid's
she did, yeah.
Tale. Actor. Male.
Male actor.
Who are the
None.
current faves? Ryan Gosling.
His name's Ryan, not Brian.
Ryan. No, I said
You
Ryan.
said-
I didn't say Brian. I said
Brian
Ryan.
Who was than me?
Brian Gosling. The life
That's
of Brian.
brother.
That's so funny. No, he doesn't do it for you.
Not
Anybody?
really.
Leonardo DiCaprio? I fuck knows. No?
Come back to it.
We'll come back to it. This will never end.
I must like someone.
You must
I
like
must
them.
like someone.
Favourite model is this easy.
Me.
Self-love, baby, the way to go.
Naomi Campbell.
Is it
I
Naomi
love
Campbell?
her.
Now, it's so funny because we were referencing earlier about being the token model. And how that can work for you and has worked for you. But that you would like other models.
Yeah.
And I remember Naomi was, back in the day, was very territorially
she didn't want to share it.
She didn't want to share it. But credit to her, in recent years, maybe as an
She learnt
evolution
lessons.
of
You learn
she
lessons,
matured.
Yeah.
And she's all for it
She's
now.
great.
Exactly. Naomi. And I photographed Naomi and she's freaking...
Oh, yeah?
She is a great test of how good a photographer you are, only insofar as she gives what
She
she
tells you
gives.
what to do.
No, she gives what she gives very quickly.
Yeah.
So if you're not there to capture it
She's
in
done.
time, you'll miss it. So you have to be on your game and quick. But she was extremely great.
Oh, wow.
Favorite designer?
I think Isabel Marant.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Do you own more Maran than anybody else in your wardrobe?
probably. Just the jackets. I like all
Oh,
the
yeah?
jackets, yeah.
That's great. Okay.
Coats are my thing.
Favorite accessories? So we're going shoes, bags, sunglasses, please. In no particular order. But
Sunglasses I don't wear.
You don't wear
I don't wear
You're on a beach
sunglasses.
all the time for your job.
I have a really small face. I don't know. I just don't like
It's
sunglasses
the
on me.
proportions that you don't
Yeah,
like. You don't like aesthetically the way...
And I don't enjoy the restriction of it. I don't like the feeling. Yeah.
Fair enough.
So sunglasses, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Shoes, I guess Saint Laurent would be my favorite.
Yeah. A pump?
Yeah,
A boot?
a pump or a boot. I wear mostly boots, but
A boot. A sort of a short boot. A little booty.
I always have like a little heel.
A little heel.
Yeah.
But what height?
I mean, probably an inch. Like
No,
for my everyday.
not the height of the heel, the height of the boot. I mean, the how long a boot?
I have so many boots.
You do, but how many are long?
I mean, I just bought some really long ones up to here.
Okay, so you just like boots.
I like boots.
You got a lot of shit.
I know, I do. Yeah.
I like that. Favorite? Okay, sunglasses, blah, blah, blah. Shoes we've done, so we're going with Yves Saint Laurent.
Yes. And handbag is my Chanel because it's new and it's my favorite
exactly.
thing ever.
Great. Favorite makeup? Do you wear it?
Yes, I would wear a Bobbi Brown foundation, or I just use a lot of the time Glossier tinted moisturizer.
There's a brand called Glossier.
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 Maybe I'm saying it Glossier. Glossier.
Is it French?
No, it's an American.
Oh, it is.
Yeah,
Right,
maybe
Glossier.
it's trying to be French.
Yeah,
I don't
right.
know.
Glossier,
Like
as
Glossier.
in more glossy.
Yeah.
As in more
Yes,
glossy.
Yes.
Shit, I've never heard of that.
Yeah, it's quite popular. It's
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, maybe 2 years old.
Why that one?
It's
Over any other
it's
freaking
really,
one in the world?
Because it's so minimal that it feels like you
Okay.
feel good, like you're wearing something, but you can't really tell when people are wearing it.
It's a foundation. No,
It's a
moisturizer.
tinted moisturizer.
It's a tinted moisturizer.
Which is kind of, which is what you would use instead of a foundation.
Okay. Because for a long time, when you asked for natural makeup, back in the day of real minimalism, and Dick Page, his amazing makeup artist, who was all about let the girl look as fucking beautiful as she came in the door in the morning, because
Yeah.
often that is
That's-
the
yeah.
case, and it would be moisturizer. So I guess they've cottoned onto that and then made it a bit more like
Yeah, I mean, there's trends right now
Concealer.
to either be very minimal or to have a lot of makeup.
Is that right?
Right now, I feel like. And I just like really minimal makeup.
Right. I would even think that you could be a good presenter for TV and shows. And
Shut
stuff.
up.
Even
Really?
given even everything you've told me about being so shy and all the rest of it, I think you could even
that
go
makes
that
me
far.
happy. Thanks.
Yeah. Favorite perfume?
I'm using now, it's called Santal.
With an S?
Santal, and it's from Le
San-
Labo.
Le Labo.
Le
That's
Labo.
French.
I think it's French, yeah.
Santal. S
Santal is the scent.
with a C or
No,
an S.
Santal. Santal.
That's the scent.
That's the scent, yeah.
From Le Labo.
Le Labo.
Fantastic. Favorite shop, store. It can be anything.
Whole Foods.
Whole Foods. Okay, good. Where do you live in New York?
I live in Williamsburg.
Oh, okay.
But we're moving in like 4 weeks.
Where are you going?
Well, we have no apartment yet, but the West Village.
So you haven't bought a place?
No, well, we were meant to
going
do that. And
Where are
then
you going to buy?
We were going to buy it in Williamsburg.
Okay.
But it didn't happen, so
Buy in
next year.
Fort Green. Buy in Fort Green.
Really?
If you can afford it, I'm sure you can. You're very rich.
No, I'm not.
Well, then you can't afford
But there's
it.
2 of us now, so maybe it will help.
Is he wealthy?
He's okay. He does. We do okay. I don't know.
Okay.
think
So he's not extremely rich?
No, he's just a regular person, but we both work really hard.
Okay.
He's not
Good.
like a billionaire or anything.
Right, okay, good. A master of the universe.
Is he rich?
Well, to live in Fort Greene now, these brownstones are...
Do you own this place?
No.
Oh,
3
this is
million,
amazing.
4 million.
Oh, no. We're not. No.
Right, okay.
We're not there yet.
But
Soon.
even Williamsburg is very expensive.
It is expensive.
Let's face it.
Yeah.
Favourite online shopping place experience?
Online shopping.
Do you do it?
Yeah, a little bit.
Whole Foods?
I do.
Amazon?
But I guess Amazon.
Amazon,
Because you
yeah.
buy everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
City place to live.
City place.
City or place to live,
Oh, to
or
live.
money, no objects, wherever you
Ooh.
want.
I mean,
Would you-
I always would want to be where I am because otherwise I wouldn't be there. But if second place, Paris,
First place, wherever you are.
New York, because
Oh, okay.
I love New
That's
York.
your here.
Like otherwise I wouldn't be here.
Where does Auckland fit into that scale
I
of
mean,
things?
I love Auckland, but right now it just doesn't make sense. But one day maybe, who knows?
Could you even go back there?
Yeah, I mean, my sisters live in Sydney, so I feel like we would move to Sydney before we would move to New Zealand. But
Right. Interesting. What does your husband to be do?
I was like, what term? We don't even say fiance. I still say boyfriend because it feels so weird.
Until he's married.
Yeah, he works
And you're
at. He's a
married.
comedian.
He's not a freaking comedian.
He's a comedian, and he has a really cool podcast, which you should.
He
listen to.
doesn't.
It's called "Is There Something in This?" and they like write cartoons and draw cartoons for the New Yorker with his really good friend Jason, and
Are
they
you joking?
make up the ideas as they record it. So it's really
So
cool.
would you call him a writer?
He's a writer and he's a comedian, and he also works at Google. So he
Also-
does it a lot. 3 jobs.
I love that. Is that a millennial thing? How old is he?
I guess so.
Yeah.
He's older than me. He's 38.
He's 38. I think he's technically still a millennial.
What's the cutoff?
The cutoff is 85, 86.
Okay.
So 66 to 86 is my generation, which is Gen X.
Well,
And
he
then
was
the millennial-
80.
He was 80.
Yeah.
So he's an
So
old
he's old, yeah.
Xer. He's an old Xer.
He missed out.
Good on him. he probably has early millennial
Yeah.
tendencies.
Yeah, he does.
There you go. Favorite restaurant, and I know that you eat out a lot.
Yeah. Okay. What's my favorite place?
In New York, let's call it, or it could be Paris. Why not?
It's hard to choose. I'm trying to think. What's that place that we just went to in Brooklyn? That Italian place.
Mhm.
Right by my house.
Oh, it's in Williamsburg. Mm-hmm. It's your favorite local.
But it's a really nice restaurant. Italian. I need to try and remember. Can I Google it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. It's by my house, so if I just look on the map.
What street?
I
are you-
mark restaurants as well
You
on my
do?
map.
That's good.
Um,
Are you good with directions?
I
Suppose it's practice. Yeah.
It's this one, right?
Now with
What's it
Google Maps,
called?
there's no excuse.
Lilia.
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 Okay. Do you spell that like Lilia?
Lilia.
Fantastic. Favorite holiday destination and best hotel that you might have stayed at?
Oh, we just went to the most amazing place in. I have to look it
Good
up.
old Google.
I have to look at my Instagram to remember the names of these places.
You're not good with names.
I'm really bad. I mean, you know that now. It is in Turks and Caicos.
Wicked.
I have to remember the name. I didn't tag it.
So it's beach.
Yeah, beach vacation. Turks and Caicos was amazing.
Because it was so incredibly beautiful.
Yeah, it was so beautiful and it was really outdoorsy and
So
we
you
could,
don't feel
swim
it.
and
You
we
don't,
just like.
have you been because of your job?
No, we were there just for a vacation.
No, but because of your job, have you been to a lot of
A lot of
freaking-
places.
A lot of beaches.
A lot of beaches.
What is the number one beach
I
in
mean,
your
I guess the
estimation?
Maldives.
The Maldives,
That's like
number
the
one.
number one.
It is the number one.
I mean, it was nice. Yeah. I mean, they're all kind of like a beach is a
The same,
beach. But
exactly.
Yeah,
But if you had to pick one,
that
to
would be
work
like the
or
place.
at-
Yeah. It was really amazing.
Wow. And was there a great hotel there too?
Yes. Where did we
But
stay?
not better than the Turks and Caicos.
Turks and Caicos is number one.
Wow.
I can't remember what it's called, but yeah, it's like
Um,
the best hotel in the country, in the whole place, I think.
Wow. Favorite food meal?
Pasta or... I love Indian food.
You eat pasta
Yeah.
as a model.
I eat everything, just
You
just
eat
not
it?
every day. Yeah.
Wow.
What, people don't eat pasta? I think
I don't know
you eat a
many
little bit of it. You don't
Moms
have
eat
to
pasta.
have...
Okay. It's official. You're telling me.
Yeah,
I
eat
believe
pasta.
you.
My favorite restaurant is Italian.
And
And they have
serves
pasta. It's a pasta-free Italian restaurant.
Gluten-free. So it's pasta, but spaghetti bolognese. What kind of pasta?
Just like spaghetti. I don't eat meat, so not like this, not with the bolognese meat sauce, but
okay.
like
Have
just
you always
regular.
been a vegetarian?
I'm pescatarian now, but I was
Okay.
vegetarian for
So
many
your favorite
years.
pasta would be at this restaurant?
Oh, I don't know if that's my
Yeah.
favorite one from there.
Yeah.
Just in general, that would be like my go-to. Would be
So
like
pasta
just like
and
spaghetti. I love
spaghetti.
like yeah, just like
Great.
classic, boring.
Love that. Favorite exercise? It's running, isn't it?
No, I don't run as much anymore.
You don't?
I was boxing this morning. I do.
Okay.
I exercise a lot, like lots of different. I guess Pilates.
You have to as a model.
Yes.
Do you have to do it every day?
I usually work out most days. Probably not on the weekend so much. Maybe like 5 days a week.
And what's your favorite routine to do?
I try to do different stuff all the time.
To
So
keep
then
it up.
it's like fun.
Mix it up.
Yeah. So I worked out with my trainer on Monday and today, and then I went to bar class on Tuesday, and I went to Pilates. So it's like I'll
Everything
probably
you
do
can
like a
do.
spin class or something.
Right. Do you
And I
have
walk.
personal trainers?
Yeah.
Essential?
Um,
Worth the
I
expense?
feel
Worth
like
the
yeah,
the investment?
Yeah.
And motivate you?
Yeah, because also it's like I don't know what to do at the gym. Like I need someone to help me.
Right, to
Yeah.
show you.
Yeah.
And favorite animal, pet?
I'm like not a pet person.
Wow.
I love animals, but
But you've never
I
had
would
one?
never. No. I love dogs. I love cats, but I don't think I would have a pet
right.
myself.
You'd forget to...
Would like go to Turks and Caicos. I mean, I would love it, but it's a lot of work. Maybe
is.
if I had a backyard or something, maybe it would be different.
Right, exactly. And when you have kids, perhaps.
Yeah. I think when you have kids, it's like something it's important, right?
Absolutely. Is your husband-to-be... You mentioned he was funny.
Yes.
Are comedians funny?
Yes. He's funny. I don't know if they all are.
Right. Favorite social media?
Instagram. It's the only one I use.
Do you have lots of followers?
I don't know what is considered a lot, but I think I'm like at 70-ish.
70?
Yeah.
And how important is that for you?
I mean, it's more important all the time. I feel like
Yeah.
I jumped on it really late, so I'm just like catching up to everyone.
Do you devote time and energy to it?
No, I mean, I posted for the first time in like 3 weeks yesterday.
Wow.
But normally I'm better. I think I just,
Okay.
sometimes you just need to like not think about it.
I just like
But
that casual...
That's not good though.
But I like that casual, easygoing... Are you
Yeah.
easygoing?
I think so.
Because it seems to me that there's an interesting push-pull between ambition, determination,
Yeah.
and...
But like
And
for healthy things, like you don't need to be so obsessed with your Instagram. Like yes, it's important for your job, but if it's like taking over your life, you're like, I need to post a picture today, then that's just lame, right? Then like, you're not doing it because you want to do it. You're doing it
Right.
because you have to do it.
Oh, that's so clever.
But it is important to do it for my job. I guess I'm just bad at it.
Would you get more jobs if you were better at it?
I think so.
You really do?
I think so.
Wow.
They ask for your Instagram followers at castings now, so it's like a thing.
Being lingerie and swimwear,
Mm.
everyone's going to want to look at your... Doesn't that go with the
Yeah, but I
It's
try not
so-
to like overdo it. You like have to balance it
okay.
out. I don't know.
I
I don't know what I'm doing,
Yeah.
pretty much, is what I'm saying.
Right.
So,
Amazing. Ashika, these were your
We're
favourite
done.
things.
Yay,
We're done.
thank
One more
you.
thing, we're going to do your beauty.
what?
We're going to do your who do you love?
My what?
Who do you love? The who do you love section.
Oh, I love Scott.
Thank you for saying. We're going to do that on the camera now.
Oh, okay.
In close up. Thank you very much.
Well, I'm confused.
You were wicked. We're going to do something else.
Okay.
Let's end this
Okay,
section.
cool.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.